Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's quickly see what's going on with Mana Decentraland. So we can see that a lot of coins are creating something of a similar kind of scenario where you can see that it's just in this pattern. It went a little bit below, but then it came right back in. Okay, and you can see it has respected this area as well as the support. Okay. So, but as you can also see that it came out of it, okay, but then it got resistance right over here, okay? And what is that? That is the Fibonacci level. Let me show it to you. 0.382. So this came in as a resistance. If we would have broken it and went to the upside, then we would have gone all the way to $4.64. But then we came down and now we are just looking for a support, and this line is coming in as a resistance. But this, I mean, I've put these prices. $4.04 is the resistance area, and $3.22 is your support at the moment. Okay, and you can see it's in this falling wedge kind of formation. It has come back in. Now, what it can do, come back, retest 0.5, and then make its next move, whatever it wants to do. If it falls, breaks this area, it will come back and retest the $3.22. But the most important thing is we want to break the 0.382 level, and then bulls can take control for Mana Decentraland. Okay, but you can also see something uh, like that being formed. This is a bullish pattern that's being formed right now. Let me just, you could you could see it as a symmetrical triangle. You could also see it as something like this. Okay, like a ascending triangle. Okay, now depending on if we break this resistance, support, then you know that the coin price is going to come down. Okay, but if we break this line, break it to the top and break this level, then bulls have taken control and we are going to the upside. Just keep an eye on this formation. This will give you a scenario where the price is going. Okay, it can come here if it breaks this, and then if it breaks this pattern, then eventually it is coming down. That's all I can say. But if it breaks this resistance, then it's going to the upside. Okay, but keep this pattern in mind because it is respecting these support areas. Look at that. Okay, and it's right at it right now. Okay, because Bitcoin at the moment, you can see it has gone down. Okay, it was creating this pattern. Okay, hit the support again. It was trying to go up like that, but eventually it just broke down. Okay, so what is the target now for Bitcoin? If it can hold this level, that's great, but it has broken out, so it might come all the way down to $4.49,500. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so just keep an eye. See, you can see it's coming down now, okay, because Bitcoin broke that level. Exactly. That's good. It happened now, so I can show it to you. Delete this. Okay. So you can see it's coming down. If it finds support here, that's going to be good because you can see it better in the 4-hourly. Okay, where this line is coming from. You can see it's coming down all the way 49, as I said. Okay, look at that. It's coming all the way down. See, it's finding some support, but I believe it can come further down. Okay, so see, Mana is coming down now. It is breaking this resistance. If it can hold 0.5, that's going to be great. It depends on Bitcoin if it wants to hold this level. So if it comes down, this support is going to come into play like that, and then eventually form some kind of patterns and stuff. But Bitcoin, overall, see, it just took a bounce, Bitcoin is going to stay in this formation until it breaks it. Okay. You can always move the support line depending on the most touches. At the moment, you can just put it right there. So now with the mana token, like I can show you something in the RSI. If you can just bring those levels. So with mana, you can see that it was in this rising, uh, in this momentum where the price was going up. It came down. Now you can see it's holding this support. Okay. Now we have had this in the previous run as well, where mana was doing something very similar right over here. I'll just point it out. I pointed this out in my previous video. I'll just do it really quick. And then it found support here, and then we had a pickup. Okay. But again, since Bitcoin is in a very, like a consolidation zone, that's why we're having a very similar situation. It broke out, it's trying to find support and momentum in this area. If it finds support here and then does a little bit of a consolidation, that's going to be good, because in the daily time frame, it is in between the 20 moving average. If I just take this off, okay, it's in between the, let's go to the 4 hour, not the daily. It's in between the 20 moving average and the 55. So whenever the coin is in between these, areas, then consolidation is going on pretty much. Okay. But you can see how it's coming to the downside, because Bitcoin, like I said, if it breaks that, it will come here. So see, it's trying to get to this level right now as we speak. Now, if we go to the 4 hourly, let's see what's going on. Okay, it's broken out of this range. So most probably, if you take out your Fibonacci's, measure this. Okay. Okay, you can see that it's coming to the downside right now. Okay. If it can just, find some support here and jump back in, because I know Bitcoin will find support right over here. Okay. Yeah, this is the support area. If it finds support here, that's going to be good. We can measure this move really quick. Oh yeah, you can see where the 0.5 is sitting right over, so it will find support here. And 0.5, same levels, okay? It's finding it, most probably it will find, and you can always move this, like I told you, this line, okay? And you can see it's still forming higher lows, okay? This higher low, okay? So this is good, if it's forming higher lows, that's good. It's still in this pattern. If it breaks this level, okay, then the price can come to the 0.618. Okay, now it won't come just directly. It's gonna take some time, and move accordingly. But yeah, guys, overall, I think just keep an eye on the RSI, because RSI will tell you the story overall. The daily, you can see it's doing something over here right now. But we are in this falling wedge formation. Until we are in this formation, I think it's a bullish pattern, and eventually we want to get above the 20 moving average. As soon as we get above the 20 moving average, bulls are going to take control and the price is going to move to the upside. Even if uh, the price comes all the way down over here, maybe to the $3.22, we are still in this formation, a bullish pattern. So uh, we have done this before. Okay, I'll tell you that. Maybe the price can right over here. Okay. So it was, say, 20 and the 55. It was in between these levels. And then right after we got over the 20, you see what happened. Okay. So, and this is the same scenario right over here. It was just doing its thing on this line, consolidating, and trying to see where the market wants to go. And right after it decided, it came over the 20 and moved to the upside. Now, always keep in mind, history can repeat, okay, but it doesn't have to repeat every time. So if it can, just close a daily candle, either a daily candle above this resistance line and get above the 20 moving average, that's your indication what's going to happen. Okay, it's going to move to the upside and break this resistance. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's it. I mean, market is 50-50 right now. We just have to wait for Bitcoin to do its thing and see it's bounced right from here. So just wait for, confirmation move, maybe breaking this resistance in the daily time frame and closing a candle above it, and that's going to be an indication market is going to move to the upside. If this wedge is broken to the upside, the targets are at the top of the wedge. If it's broken to the downside, then it's going to play with the Fibonacci level and find its support. But okay, guys, thank you so much. Just a overview of what's going on with Mana Decentraland, and thank you so much. Have a good day.